consume, canned food, I bought canned food, consume o kaimashita, kanzen, infection, kansen, infection spreads, kansen ga, hirogarimasu, kansatsu, observation, I observe it, kansatsu shimashita, kanjo, calculation or bill, I paid the bill, kanjo o shimashita, kanrisha, manager or admin, I am the manager, watashi wa kanrisha desu, kangoshi, nurse, she is a nurse, kanojo wa kangoshi desu, kain, member, I became a member, kain ni narimashita, kaigo, nursing care, I provide care, kaigo o shimasu, kaihatsu, development, we develop software, sofuto weya o kaihatsu shimasu, kaizen, improvement, I will improve it, kaizen shimasu, kaigai, abroad, I will go abroad, kaigai e ikimasu, kaiketsu, solution, I solve it, kaiketsu shimashita, kaigi, meeting, I joined the meeting, kaigi ni sanka shimashita, kaishi, start or begin, it starts now, ima kaishi shimasu, kaifuku, recovery, I'm recovering, kaifuku shitaimasu, kakuho, secure or ensure, secure safety, anzen o kakuho shite kudasai, kakonin, confirmation, please confirm, kakonin shite kudasai, kakugo, resolve, be prepared, kakugo shite kudasai, kagu, furniture, I bought furniture, kagu o kaimashita, kaji, housework, I do housework, kaji o shimasu, kaji, value, it has value, kachi ga arimasu, katsuyo, utilization, use it effectively, katsuyo shite kudasai, katsuyaku, active role, she is active, kanojo wa katsuyaku shitaimasu, kaki, liveliness, the town is lively, machi wa kaki ga arimasu, katsudo, activities, we do activities, katsudo shimasu, kako, appearance, nice appearance, kako ga idesu, gaka, academic department, I belong to a department, gaka ni zokuzuru, gakushu, learning, I am learning, gakushu shitaimasu, gakuhi, tuition, I pay tuition, gakuhi o harai mashita, garukyoku, academic ability, my academic ability improve, gakuryoku ga nabimashita, ganbai, effort, I will put in effort, Ganbari shimasu. Kawiro complexion. You look pale. Kawiro ga waridesu. Kakaku price. Check the price. Kakaku o kakunin shite kudasai. Kasai, fire disaster. A fire broke out. Kasai ga okori mashita. Kate, household. A warm family. Atakai kate. Kako, past. Forget the past. Kaku o wasurete kudasai. Kawaiso. Pitful, that's pitful. Kawaiso desu. Kanyo, possible. It's possible. Kano desu. Kesho, makeup. I put on makeup. Kesho o shimasu. Keka, result. The result came out. Keka ga demashita.